Hey there, it's Mark here from Buckeye Marine. Tail end of boating season here in Ontario, but that means new 2025 product from all our manufacturers. Let's jump inside and see what's new in this 2025 MasterCraft XT22. So there's some really exciting changes for 2025. Most notably is going to be the new dash and helm area on all the XT and X series boats. It's been completely redesigned. All of the XT series models are going to come standard with this 12-inch touchscreen. Beautiful layout, all new software, all new user interface, really easy to use, and a ton of information at your fingertips right here. The thing I love most about it already, just seeing that line of sight over the dash, completely flat looking out through the windshield, great visibility. Really excited to get this on the water and take it for a spin. Let's check out the dash and the helm and see what it has to offer. So on the XT series models, you get this single, beautiful panoramic 12-inch touchscreen. A lot of the information that you're used to seeing from the old dual screen dashes and the other 7-inch dashes from the past, you've got your drive modes across the top, integrated navigation. Most notably though, you've got this MasterCraft MyDrive rotary controller. Really nice to control your speed, your tabs, your surf system. The click of a button with the hotkeys, it's going to integrate into the screen. You have the ability to change your surf weight, adjust your speed, and even modify the tabs when cruising. Another feature, something really small, but I love that they brought back a rotary dial for the volume on these boats. As much as I love the touchscreens and the ability to swipe, there's something nice and tactile about being able to turn that volume up. So they've really enhanced the driver's experience, put everything right at their fingertips at the helm, and overall a really nice, well laid out design. So as you can see here, beautiful redesigned helm. Love the new helm seat, the armrest with the rotary MyDrive controller right in there. Very well thought out and ergonomic. The other big upgrade that they've done for 2025 is going to relate to the powertrain. So let's head to the back and check out the Ilmor engine in this boat. So I'm excited about this upgrade. For 2025, all MasterCrafts will now come standard with a 5.3 liter GDI Ilmor motor. While this motor's been in their lineup for the past few years, since about 2018, Ilmor's now redesigned it as a freshwater cooled motor. So instead of being exclusive to the saltwater series boats and having a closed loop cool, this is a freshwater open loop cooling GDI motor. Puts out about 380 horsepower, just over 400 foot-pounds of torque, but what it means for you is better efficiency and reliability. These motors burn about 15% more efficient than the conventional legacy multi-port injection motors. That would be like the 5.7 and the 6 liter that they've offered previously. And on top of that, it's still got the best warranty in the game, 7 years or 1,000 hours. So really impressive. Love seeing this as standard content. 6 liter is an awesome proven motor, but moving into these new 5.3 GDIs, I'm really excited to get behind the wheel and feel the power and efficiency of this new motor. So as you've seen, some really cool updates for 2025. If you want to come into the dealership, see a boat in person or try it out on the water, let us know. This XT22 is going to be in our showroom here shortly. With the nice weather we're having into the fall, we're still able to do test drives. So shoot us a message or reach out to us at buckeyemarine.com and we'll see you on the water.